Santiniketan Medical College and Hospital has received approval to start indoor patient services from Friday. Chief Medical Officer's Office of West Tripura District in an approval mentioned Tripura Santiniketan Medical College and Hospital at Madhuban, near Agartala, owned by an independent trust headed by Malyapit, has been granted registration under Section 12 of Tripura Clinical Establishment Registration and Regulation Act 2018 to run indoor patient services from now on. The registration will be effective from 9th January 2026 and will remain valid until 8th July 2026. The institution has been registered to provide healthcare services under the three medical system: allopathic, homeopathic and Ayurvedic. The approval covers hospital services, operation of medical diagnostic laboratories and imaging centers, as well as IPD and OPD services. Santiniketan Medical College and Hospital Authority said the approval would help further boost healthcare services in Tripura. Santiniketan Medical College has been running well-managed outdoor patient services at ₹10 for last few months, and over 300 students from different states of India are studying MBBS in this hospital.